to each one of you around the world. Welcome back to Eda's Corner. My name is Ita. In today's video, I will discuss some reasons why you should withdraw your U.S. immigration application and how you can withdraw your application whether it is at the USCIS, the National Visa Center, or the U.S Embassy. But first, if you're new on this channel, please consider and subscribe. And to my new and returning subscribers, thank you and welcome. Now let's go ahead and jump straight to the video. Here are some reasons why you should withdraw your U.S. immigration case. Reasons to withdraw immigration case: criminal convictions, incarceration, death of the petitioner or applicant, deportation, age or poor health of applicant, infidelity, and lastly, adjustment of status in the U.S. How to withdraw immigration case. If you have filed your case and it is processing at the USCIS and you have not yet received your approval denial decision, your request to withdraw should be sent to the USCIS. There is no official USCIS withdrawal form, but there is some important information you should make sure to include. Make sure to address the withdrawal letter to the right USCIS office that is currently processing your application. Usually, you can see this information in your receipt notice I-797 issued to you when USCIS receive your petition. Include the full name, date of birth, passport information for the petitioner or beneficiary. Furthermore, include the receipt number, receipt date, application type, and the A number. Include your contact details, including a reliable mailing address. The USCIS usually sends correspondence by mail, so it is important to use an address you can access. Sign the letter. Any letter that is unsigned will be rejected by the USCIS. You can also send a copy of your I-797 notice as an attachment. How to withdraw a case after it was approved by the USCIS but before your interview. If your immigration petition, example I-130 or I-140, has already been approved by the USCIS and the case has been sent to the National Visa Center, NVC, and you are waiting for your interview, you can submit a request to withdraw your case to the National Visa Center. On Google, go to NVC Public Inquiry Form. This is where you can write the details of your petition and attach copies of a signed withdrawal request letter electronically. Be sure to include the above mentioned personal and petition details and attach a copy of the approval notice of your immigrant petition. What if you already received your immigrant visa? If you have already received your immigrant visa and for whatever reason decide not to immigrate to the US, there is no particular way to revoke your visa. You can simply choose not to use the visa to travel to the US. Most immigrant visas are valid for up to 6 months. Before expiry of which a visa holder must make an application at the border to enter the US as a lawful permanent resident (LPR), for example, green card holder. Note that the primary or principal applicant must enter before or at the same time as derivative family members with visas. After 6 months have passed, your immigrant visa will expire on its own. Okay, guys? So, if you are currently in your country of residence and you already have received your immigrant visa from the U.S Embassy, and for whatever reasons you decide not to travel to the US, you can simply just don't travel. Your visa will expire within 6 months from the date it was stamped by the US Embassy. Okay? Now let's look at some things that you should consider before withdrawing your US immigration application. Some things that you should consider before withdrawing your U.S. immigration application. All fees paid for U.S. immigration applications are final. It is non-refundable. Very important, you guys. You will not receive a refund once you withdraw your U.S. immigration application. Ensure your withdrawal letter is notarized or stamped by your local government. It ensures that your letter is true and your statement is not fraudulent. Include evidence, for example, deportation letter, notarized letter of agreement by the applicant, adjustment of status in the US, evidence of infidelity, divorce decree, and death certificate. And lastly, please do not make rush decisions based on your feelings. Make sure your thoughts are clear and you have made up your mind before proceeding. Listen, deciding to withdraw your US immigration application, it's a very saddened moment. You kind of feel like you have wasted your time, your effort, and money in getting this application to process, and now you are withdrawing. But things happen in life, and sometimes you may just have to withdraw the application. Before you withdraw your application, like I have said, take your time. You do not want to be in a situation whereby you are wanting to reinstate that application or redo this application in the future, and based on the evidence that you provided when you withdraw, that evidence can resurface and backfire at you. Whoever is deciding on your case may see you as fraud. So, in that instance, you may need to get a lawyer to help you go forward with a new U.S. immigration application. So, be very careful in not making rush decisions based on your feelings. Make sure that you have valid reasons why you should withdraw your U.S. immigration application. If you're still stuck and you do not know what to do, Please do not hesitate and send me an email, schedule a consultation with me, and you can always comment down below. I hope each one of you enjoyed this video and it was beneficial to you. Ensure that you subscribe, share this video, give it a thumbs up, and turn on your notification bell so you never miss another video from me. Thank you for watching Eda's Corner, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.